Okay, just about finished most of it. Got a few things I need to touch up, but in general, it's ready to go. See, there's the microwave, TV. Got me a fan. Got me a light back here. Got some more storage space down here. The bed's in. Got a sheet on it. Pillows, covers, back wall, side wall. Gotta do a little bit more work around the windows. Got some ideas for there. Got my ceiling put in. Got me a little couple pieces of wood up here at the top. Mount some stuff. Put some hooks in to be able to hang some t-shirts. But all in all, it's pretty much done. Ready. Like I said, a few things here and there to wrap up, but everything's working. I'll take it to the school. Gonna get me a cargo carrier put on the front here to hold my generator and my cooler. So just about finished.